What's up, everyone? Coming at you from the UP of Michigan here. We're getting ready for a trip here. So if you've been watching us recently, you've probably heard us mention that we had a couple of trips coming up, a couple of a little bit longer trips, some kind of multi-day stuff, and this is one of those trips. So we're just kind of getting our gear together. So here's my pack. Got the Osprey Exos here, and you know, this is one of the lighter loads I've had in a while. If you watched recently our video we just did about gear upgrades that we're doing this season, you heard us probably talk about some things that we got that are looking to lighten the load, right? And so just weighed myself on the scale, and my total loadout is exactly 22 pounds, and that does include food and water. And so this is for a 4-day trip, so not bad, feeling pretty good on the back.
Hey everybody, so the pack that I'm carrying is also the Osprey Exos 58 liter, just like Joe. The base weight that I have going is 12 pounds, just over 1 ounce. And then with everything in it, food, fuel, water, it comes up to 22.8. So these are some of the lighter packs that Joe and I have carried on one of our trips. A few other little updates. In our last video I talked about getting new trail runners, and in preparation for this trip I found myself at REI, of course, getting fuel. Wandered over to the shoe section and ended up getting some new trail runners. So these are the Ultra Superior 3.5s. A lot of people might know the Lone Peak 3.5, so these are kind of a step lower than those as far as that they're more minimal. So these are the most minimal trail runners that I've ever had. Took them out for about 10 miles the other day and tried them out. Really great shoes so far, and they're known for having this 0% grade right here, so the heel is not elevated above the toes. So these will be good to try out on a new 4-day trip, and I'll let you know how those go. And one final thing is, this will be my first long trip with trekking poles. I've never been a trekking pole guy just until this season. We were up on the Superior hiking trail and my knees started to bother me a bit. We were on some really rugged terrain, and I just thought, let me try out some trekking poles and see how it goes. So I've been using these couple day hikes, probably about 25 miles, and I've really liked them. So this will be my first longer length trip using trekking poles. And these are a cheaper brand called Cascade Mountain, carbon fiber, lightweight. You can get them on Amazon, and I can give you a good review of these after this trip as well and let you know how they do. So another thing that we're doing new on this trip is we're trying out Packet Gourmet, and I'm sure a lot of people have heard of this brand before. Really great meals, backpack meals that we've seen on a lot of YouTube videos, and people rave about them, so we finally decided to try these out ourselves. We've never had them before. Pretty excited about it, and we'll definitely let you know how it goes, and I'm sure we'll show you some of the food when we're out on the trail.
Hey guys, so one other thing we wanted to mention is that we just reached 1,000 subscribers. Yeah. So just wanted to say thanks to everybody for watching, and you know, we've really enjoyed getting feedback from all you guys and everything. So yeah, thanks again, and we're looking forward to continuing to grow this channel and giving you all content that is useful and helpful and fun and interesting to all of you.
Oh, shoot.